Hello everyone, I am Rana Joyce Garcia Labaco, BS Criminology, 3rd year from Manuel Sinverga University Foundation, Calawag Incorporated. So for today's video, I'll be demonstrating the moulage casting procedure and materials to be used. Before we proceed in conducting the activity, let me give you a first brief introduction on moulage casting. What is moulage casting? Moulage casting is a cast or imprint created specifically for use as evidence in a criminal investigation. Moulage casting is important in forensic sciences because it enables a crime scene investigator to obtain an exact replica of a mark or print from a scene, which can then be compared to a tool, shoe, or tire that has been seized in order to establish a connection between a suspect and a crime scene. And now, let's proceed to the procedures. These are the materials I'll be utilizing to perform the activity. But first things first, don't forget to wear your PPE and gloves. Next, we need some small container, a mesh, the shoes, and 2 spray bottle, a toothpick, a tumbler, and for the main components, a sand, a 1 kilo plaster of Paris, and lastly, a water. First, prepare the sand in the container. After that, create the shoe impression of the sand. Next, prepare the varnish and oil onto the separate spray bottles, then spray the varnish and wait for the sand to dry. Then, prepare the plaster of Paris in a secure container and put the plaster. And put some water. If you feel it is not thick enough, you can add some more water. And then mix well until the desired mixture. Next, slowly and carefully pour the mixture over the sand to avoid damaging the shoe impression. Then, wait for a few minutes for the plaster to dry. check the plaster, and if it is durable enough, put the mesh on top of the cast. And now, pour the remaining mixture. Well, a mesh will provide support on the cast so that it is not easily breakable. So, after a few hours for the plaster of Paris to dry, we can now remove the impression on the sand. And you can clean it using a water or a brush. But remember, be careful to not damage the impression. And now, presenting the final result of our Moulage casting. Thank you!